I'm Harry Ghotra. Welcome to my kitchen. Lovely to have you join me. I have got some very, very exciting news that I want to share with you. As of now, I am launching memberships and I can't wait. It's a really lovely way for me to give you exactly what you want. And what I'm going to be doing is I've got 5 different levels of memberships that you can join. The first tier is all about having a little bit of fun. So I've created these really fun emojis and some stickers that you can tag onto your comments. We've got hi. We've also got yum. We've got lol. And then we've got the last one, which is whoops. The second tier of membership is very much about inspiring you to try new things. I will be putting out there a weekly recipe for you guys to go out and try and cook, and then you can take photos and share those pictures with me on the app. I'm also going to be giving you a quarterly discount as well, so you can use those for the curry kits and various other products that are on there. The third level of membership is for those of you who just want a little bit more information, because I know there's a lot of you out there. I am going to be delivering a quarterly ebook. The ebook is full of recipes, it's full of extra information, it's got lots of hints and tips and lots of fun stuff in there. So each quarter it'll be a book themed around a certain topic. And that will be there for you to enjoy at your leisure. I will also be giving you a slightly higher level of discount as well that you can use for various other products as well. The fourth level of membership is the reintroduction of the Friday Night Curry Club. So I am going to be doing a monthly live cook along with you guys, which means that we will cook 2 dishes together. And I will give you all the information, all the ingredients and all of that stuff that you need a good 2 weeks beforehand, so you can get yourself organised, you can buy all your ingredients, and then we will cook together like we have done for the Friday Night Curry Clubs, and it means that you will have a delicious curry and a side dish to enjoy with you and your family, and hopefully you'll pick up some new skills and we can chit chat and have a little bit of fun, which is what cooking's all about, right? The 5th level of the membership is for those of you who want even more. So I'm going to be launching a Harry Ghotra Gastronomy Indian Cookery course. It's going to be a monthly live session, and each month we will be covering a really interesting different topic, and we'll go into it in lots of detail. Some of the sessions we will be cooking, some of the sessions we'll be chatting, but each of the sessions will also have a whole load of information that will sit behind it, course notes and various other bits that you can take away and read and hopefully pick up all of those extra bits that you want to find out when it comes to Indian cooking. I'm really excited about it. I want you guys to join me. So what you need to do is click on that join button, have a look. There's loads of information there, and just pick the right membership that suits you. And then we can all get cooking in our own little way that's going to be beneficial to each and every one of you. So please join me, and I can't wait to cook along with you guys.